Guess.
Retarded random videos.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna hide in the fridge.
Can't even see you there. It's so dark.
I'm done laying on the ground and passing out on the ground. That shit is behind me.
It's in the past.
That was last year's shit. Wait, actually, I did that on New Year's. So is that this year or next? Or last year?
Hey. Only a little bit.
No, I gotta pour this entire shot in there.
No.